This version of adobo is very popular in two places in particular. One is in Iloilo and the other place is Cavite. Magluluto tayo ng adobong pula. And what makes it red is the use of atsuete, yung pangpapula ng inasal, yung pangpapula ng kare-kare. Yun din yung pangpapula dito sa adobong pula. So, a lot of people may not know this, pero this is one of the oldest versions of adobo. Dahil, nung wala pang soy sauce, wala pang nagbebenta ng silver is one, ito yung meron. Asin. Inasinan ko na yung aking chicken and aking pork. And ito yung gagawin ko. This is atsuete oil, pangpapula. Look at that. Kung may oras ka, asinan mo yung inyong chicken and pork ahead of time. Gigisa natin to. Ganda ng kulay, oh. Gisa-gisa natin to. So, ito iba-brown ko lang tong aking pork ng konti with our atsuete. And usually, yung ginagawa mo, inuuna mo yung luto ng baboy dahil matagal maluto yung baboy compared sa manok. Or else, maluluto siya, durog na yung manok, yung baboy mo, matigas pa. Habang nagsasangkot siya tayo ng ating pork, I will smash the garlic. Ayan. Aking bawang. Nagisa ko lang yung aking pork. Lalagay ko tong aking bawang. Look at that. Mas maraming bawang, mas masarap. Lalagay ko yung aking dahon ng laurel. Yung papabango ng ating adobo. Mix, mix, mix. Gagawin natin, magko-combine tayo ng pamintang buo at pamintang durog. Gisa-gisa. Instead of using soy sauce, I will use patis. Patis, fish sauce. Kasi sa Cebu, pag sinasabi mong patis, toyo ibibigay. So, patis, fish sauce, and vinegar. Yan, no? And, kung gusto mo ng sili, lagyan na natin ng sili dyan. 3 sili. And 1, 2, and 3. So, ito siya. Ginagawa ko dito, bibigyan ko ng extra time yung aking pork maluto. So, I will cook the pork mga 10-15 minutes before adding my chicken and my chicken liver. Itong chicken liver, ito yung magbibigay ng parang richness and thickness sa ating sabaw. Ito siya. Medyo, tingnan mo yung pork natin. Medyo naluto na siya, pero hindi pa siya totally cooked. Medyo, hindi pa siya ganun kalambot. And this is the time you add your chicken. But before I add my chicken, yan. So we will add a little bit of sugar just to balance the acidity and to add a little bit of linamnam to our adobo. Then lalagay ko na yung aking chicken pieces na inasinan ko earlier. And lalagay natin yung ating chicken liver. So yung liver, pag maluto to, masarap to. So, mix that together, let that stew. We just have to wait for it to cook. All the flavors come together. At saka, yung ating chicken liver, medyo madurog siya ng konti. Later, kukuha tayo, magmamash tayo para maging medyo thick and rich and delicious yung ating adobong pula. And while waiting for this to cook, huwag niyong kalimutan, subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Marami tayong recipes as well as other features. Hindi lang tayo recipe channel, ha? We are now a lifestyle channel. So we have documentaries, we have other features aside from delicious recipes from me and also other chefs. So look at that, oh, medyo nagsasabaw na siya. And I will cover this and let it cook. And in a little while, meron tayong masarap na ulam, ihanda ang kanin. And finally, luto na yung ating adobong pula. Do you want to see it? Of course, you want to see it. Look at that. Ang ganda-ganda. Kakatakam. For some, medyo unfamiliar dito sa adobong pula. Ito talaga siya. Very rich and very delicious na kulay. Nakakatakam, no? And let us plate for all of you. lambot ng baboy, tama yung luto ng ating chicken, rich, and tama lang yung balanse ng alat at saka yung asim. It's adobong pula, Ilonggo style or Cavite style. Ang iba dito nilalagyan ng patatas, but today, hindi ko nilagyan ng patatas. But this is so delicious. And very important dito, yung sarsa. Sarsa pa lang, ulam na. Di ba pula siya? Yan ang adobong pula. Dahil sa atsuete. Yan. And this is one of the most delicious versions of adobo. And mind you, nauna pa tong version na to kaysa sa adobo na may toyo. Kaya mga younger people, minsan, hindi nila alam yung mga recipes na nakakalimutan na. So we're trying to bring them back for all of you. Tatakam kayo? I will show you. Ganito, dapat may pork, dapat may chicken, thigh. Then dapat may sarsa na may atay. Ito, then i-mash mo yung chicken liver. Halo mo siya. Let me taste. Ito, sauce lang. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap niya. Kaya you should try this recipe. Adobong pula, popular in Iloilo and popular in Cavite. Kung meron pang ibang regions na uso to, comment down below. Let us know. At kung hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe sa Simple.ph YouTube channel, do it now. As in now. Kasi after dito, magluluto na kayo. I'm sure tatakom kayo. And if there are other adobo recipes that you know of, na probably hindi ko alam, comment down below. And ito ang isa sa pinakamasarap at napaka-old versions of adobo. Ang adobong pula, simple. And for now, I will enjoy my adobong pula.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.